In our last class, we talk about what? Division law in indices. Okay? Now, in this video, we are going to talk about the third law, which is what? Powers what? Powers law. Okay? Now, for example, if I have 2 raised to the power of what? 3, then all raised to the power of what? 2. You see, we have double powers here, right? That is why we call it what? Powers law. Now, in simplification, 2 raised to the power of 3 simply means what? 2 times what? 2 times what? 2. Then raised to the power of what? 2 again. Now, this power of 2 means that this multiply itself 2 into 2 places, right? So we can simplify this as well. The first one is 2 times what? 2 times 2. That's the first. Then this times, the second part is what? 2 multiply 2 multiply what? 2. Now, when you simplify this further, you see we have about what? 6. We have 6 what? 2's here. So we can simply write 2 raised to the power of what? 6. But we can't be simplifying this way, right? We must find a better way to do that. That means when we have something like this, 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Then all raised to the power of what? 2. You see that we can multiply out their powers, right? 3 times 2 means what? 6. So that means we have 2 raised to the power of 6. When you are doing something like this, don't follow this pattern. Rather do what? Multiply out what? Their powers. Now, in general, okay, when we have a raised to the power of what? N, then all raised to the power of what? M. The law says multiply out their powers. That is n times m is called what? Nm. That means the answer is what? A raised to the power of what? N what? M. Example, okay, when I have 2 raised to the power of what? 7, then all raised to the power of what? 3. Now, what is the answer? We multiply out their powers, right? So 7 times 3 means what? 21. So the answer is what? 2 raised to the power of what? 21 in index form. Now, try this, okay? Try this. Okay? When I have 5 raised to the power of what? 20, all raised to the power of 3. What is the answer? Drop the answer in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.